Hello, a fairly deep low. The remnants of the cyclone slowly works its way across the country, but it's got quite a sting in the tail. Of course, it's got the northeasterlies on the front side of it, but as the low moves across the North Island, watch out for the sou'westers as that thing barrels through. Because you can see the squeeze in the lines. That's, of course, the closer isobars. Tight pressure gradient, strong winds. Northeasterly with that surge of moisture there. But then this part here, notice the pinks there, come wrapping in to western parts of the North Island as we run through Tuesday. So you can see that area there. Strong to severe gales working into coastal parts of Waikato and also parts of Auckland and as well towards Northland. You can see, of course, the higher seas. That's been churning its way down. You'll notice that across much of really Gisborne. That will be easing away, but we'll probably get some higher seas also in that sou'wester as it works through. This whole feature is gone by Wednesday. But let's have a look at conditions in the far south where you're away from all the action. Things aren't too bad. You're probably going to be saying, what's going on? Southerly at 6 in Bluff. That's it. And you look at the winds and say, what is this? Yeah, it's because you're in between weather system. Weakish high just sitting about here. You do have an onshore flow to eastern areas. That will perhaps give you just a little bit more cloud, maybe some drizzle here and there. East to 12 for Brighton Beach. Kaikoura, southeast to 12. This will be strengthening too. Watch out through the day. It'll go boom, straight up through Cook Strait. Southeast to 23 at Lyle Bay. Don't be surprised, you'll be seeing the gales through Cook Strait. Come further west, around coastal parts of Taranaki. This is where it starts to strengthen, and do watch here through the afternoon in particular as your west to sou'wester takes shape. Doesn't look like much there at the time, but you're close to the low. Go further away, you see what I mean. Look at it, it's all shoom, straight in. It's more of a northeaster here as the low transitions through, and look at those stronger winds. This is about midday. This will eventually become a southwester as the low moves through by the end of the day. So certainly some strong westerlies to contend with. Watch for those strong to severe gales. Wind gusts here 100 to maybe up to 120 kilometers an hour. And you look at those winds right off the bat and you go, yeah, this is as the low moves its way through. But these conditions will slowly improve as the low eases way off the coast. Bye-bye, there it goes. And we open up the isobars. Wednesday's a quieter day for many areas except down south. New trough. New area of, well, some higher seas coming. And look at that colour there. Borders, you'll probably take note, on the west coast. That does come in, but then a high builds in. Thursday, Friday, quieter, drier. We take all of that, push it away. Fine, dry looking end to the week. That's the weather for now. WED Met Service.com.